Subramanian, you spoke about two things. One is the V-shaped recovery. Many people, many economists are looking at this as a K-shaped recovery, and they're saying that there are several sectors that still haven't really responded. These are in the small and micro scale industries, and that is where the problem is, both in terms of impacting growth as well as employment and the demand side. How do you respond to those critics who are looking at your V-shaped recovery model and saying instead that it is actually a K-shaped recovery?
Firstly, Navika, I must mention that after the Q1 GDP print had come on 31st of August, we had mentioned that by looking at the high frequency indicators, the macroeconomic indicators, there was indeed a V-shaped recovery that was happening, and I must say a lot of people had their doubts about that, about the V-shaped recovery itself on the macroeconomic indicators. Then we are glad to note that that assessment of ours has indeed now manifested with the 23.5% followed by 7.5% and the momentum that has been gathered since then. Now, in terms of your of the specific question, if you look at India's policy response, and the Honorable Prime Minister also mentioned this, that in the last year there have been, at least 3 mini budgets that have been presented through the Atmanirbhar Bharat 1, Atmanirbhar Bharat 2 and Atmanirbhar Bharat 3. The reason I bring this up is each of these packages has looked at the sectors and the constituents of the economy that have been facing difficulties, and has come up with an intervention to take care of that. The same will be continued into the future as well. Just to give you an example, Atmanirbhar Bharat 3, for instance, focused a lot on discretionary consumption and also on employment through the wage subsidy scheme that was given. So recognizing and taking into account the information as it is coming, India has calibrated its response, and we will continue to do so till we get out of the pandemic and hit back the pre-COVID growth path. The V-shaped recovery that we are seeing and the necessary steps for looking at other constituents will be continued.